Looking for the right flex angle grinder and not sure which one actually makes sense for your work? In this video, I'm going through 5 models from the weakest option to the strongest one, so by the end you'll know exactly which one fits your kind of jobs. Starting at the bottom of this ranking, we have the L1400125. And to be clear, being last here does not make it a bad grinder. It just means this group includes some stronger and more flexible tools. This one is more of a straightforward, no-nonsense corded option for people who want solid power in a smaller 5-inch class grinder. What stands out here is that 1,400 watt motor, along with constant speed control, soft start, and restart protection. That gives it a stable, predictable feel when you're grinding for longer stretches. Compared with the bigger 9-inch model, this one is much easier to manage. And compared with the cordless grinders, you never have to think about battery charge. You plug it in and it's ready to work. But there are some clear limits. It's single speed, so it doesn't give you the flexibility of the LE1411 with its variable speed range. And it also misses the cordless freedom and brushless setup you get from the FX models. So if you switch between different materials often, or you want more control over speed, this one starts to feel a bit basic. This might work for someone who wants a dependable corded grinder for regular shop or garage work, and does not need extra settings. It's simple, direct, and easy to understand. And before we move on, links to all products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. In the 4th spot, we have the LE1411 125-12. This is where things start to get more interesting, because now you're getting a grinder that feels a lot more adaptable. It still stays in that compact 5-inch class, but it adds features that make it much easier to tune for different kinds of work. The big advantage here is the wide variable speed range. That matters more than some people think. With the L1400125, you get one speed and that's it. Here you can slow things down or speed them up depending on the task. On top of that, you also get anti-kickback, overload protection, restart protection, soft start, and tool-free guard adjustment. So compared with the model below it, this one feels smarter, safer, and more versatile in day-to-day use. The downside is that it's still a corded grinder, so you still have that cable following you around the whole time. And while it has more control than the L1400125, it still can't match the convenience of the cordless FX grinders. It also stays in the same general size class, so if you need serious heavy-duty cutting or large surface grinding, it won't compete with the 9-inch machine later in the ranking. This is a really good fit for someone who wants a compact corded grinder, but needs more flexibility than a basic single-speed model can offer. If you work with different materials or just want more control in your hand, this one makes a lot of sense. And if this comparison is helping you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now we move into the top 3, and this is where cordless really starts changing the experience. The FX3171A-Z lands here because it brings together brushless power, variable speed, and the freedom to work without a cord. For a lot of people, that alone makes it feel more practical than the 2 corded 5-inch grinders we just covered. This one gives you 4 speed settings, a brushless motor, anti-kickback protection, and an anti-vibration handle. In real use, that means more comfort, better control, and less fuss when moving around a job site or working outside the shop. Compared with the LE1411, you lose the constant plug-in power, but you gain mobility. And compared with the L1400125, this one just feels more modern in the way it's set up. But there's still a trade-off. It's tool only, so battery and charger are not included. That changes the real cost pretty quickly if you're not already on the 24-volt platform. And while it's very capable, it still isn't trying to replace a big heavy-duty grinder for tough all-day material removal. It also tops out at 10,000 revolutions per minute, so on paper, it does not spin as fast as the 11,500 revolutions per minute corded 5-inch models. This might work best for someone who values mobility first and wants a safer, more controlled feel from the paddle switch. In my experience, a paddle switch can feel more natural when you want the tool to stop the moment your hand comes off. And that brings us to the next grinder, which is extremely close to this one, but just a little more flexible for long sessions. In second place, we have the FX3181A-Z. This one is very close to the FX3171A-Z, and honestly, for some people, the ranking could flip depending on preference. But here it takes the higher spot because it keeps the same strong, cordless, brushless setup while adding a side switch with lock, which makes continuous grinding easier. So you're getting the same 24-volt platform, the same 4 speed settings, the same compact weight, and the same 5-inch class capacity. But the side switch changes the feel. For longer passes, repeated cuts, or extended grinding, it can simply feel less tiring than holding a paddle the whole time. That's why it edges ahead here. Compared with the model below it, it's not more powerful on paper, but it can be more comfortable when the job drags on. The weak points are basically the same as the FX3171AI-Z. Battery and charger are extra, runtime depends on the pack you use, and it still cannot match the brute force of the 9-inch corded grinder at the top. And if you prefer the extra active control feel of a paddle switch, then you might actually like the third place tool more. So this one wins by versatility, not because it dominates in every single category. This is the one I'd point to for users who want a cordless grinder that can handle a wide range of jobs without feeling limited too quickly. It's a very balanced option, but if your work is less about convenience and more about pure force, the next grinder changes the whole conversation. At the top of the ranking, we have the L2200-230, and this one wins for a simple reason: raw capability. It is built for heavier work, and you can feel that just by looking at the specs. Bigger motor, bigger wheel, more cutting depth, more grinding coverage. This is not the kind of grinder you grab for light touch-ups. This is the one you pull out when smaller grinders start feeling like they're taking too long. The 2,200-watt motor and 9.1-inch wheel size put it in a different class from everything else in this lineup. Even though the speed number is lower at 6,500 revolutions per minute, that larger wheel changes what the tool can actually do. It's made for more demanding cutting and grinding tasks where the smaller 5-inch tools just do not have the same reach or removal rate. You still get soft start, restart protection, spindle lock, and a tool-free adjustable guard. So it's not just about power. It also has the control features you want in a serious corded grinder. Now, the trade-offs are obvious. It's heavy. At 12.8 pounds, this is not something you casually use one-handed for quick jobs. It also needs a 230-volt power setup, which immediately makes it less convenient for a lot of people. And there's no variable speed here. So while it's the strongest tool in the group, it is absolutely not the most universal one. For many viewers, one of the cordless models may still be the smarter buy. This one is for people who need a real workhorse and know exactly why they need a large grinder. Fabrication, demanding cutting, tougher grinding jobs, bigger material, that's where it makes sense. And once you know you need this kind of tool, the extra size and weight stop feeling like a downside and start feeling like the point. Check the links in the description under the video to look at the top products and compare current prices for yourself. And if this review helped you narrow it down, like the video and subscribe to the channel.